Another research method is using Instagram. So if you go to webster.me and you click on analyze, and you can click on tags, and you can search for you just type in pug shirts, and you'll come across pages like this. So you can see this is the most popular, 10,000, and this will populate all the top stuff. So all I care about is my pug, and maybe I think that's trademarked, but you get the idea. Maybe do 6 grid. There you go. So can you see here? We've got 8 hearts, 6 hearts, 8, 17. So 80 hearts. That's quite a lot of engagement. Christmas coming up. Merry Pugmas. There you go. So you've got loads of ideas. You shouldn't be running out of ideas. Type in jokes. There you go. So 83,000. Let's check it out. See all the analytics here, but I just kind of look to see for engagement. If you can see engagement, it's got a higher chance of sales. So there is no place like home for Christmas. I don't even know what that is, but I guess that's a state somewhere. Anyway, you get the idea. So you should be running out of ideas. I'm not lazy. I just enjoy doing nothing. So you can use Webster and Instagram, and you can find lots of ideas. You can get lost down here. You can see more stuff. So there you go. So that's Instagram for research. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now you can check out some of my products, which is merchautopilot.com. Merch Autopilot is a blueprint to help you with the outsourcing process. So when things get a bit hectic for you, you can go back to having a life again. My next product is merchcomplete.com. It's a pre-made design factory, so it's going to be optimized, trademark checked. So check it out and click in the description below for a free sample.